very meaningful environmentally to all of us. We are here in one of the forest area, Risa colony, and we have been here 1 hour ago. T-shirt. Today we are wearing T-shirt, and we are doing all this, picking up the trash from the forest that has been littered by people. We have already dumped some in the vehicle, and now here, and then they are buried as usual with his crutches. And then we are doing some tree plantation also. Of course it's a forest, why do you plant trees? But we want to make it thicker. We want to make it thicker, and plus the trees has been given to us by the forest department. So that's why we thought we'll do in a forest area. It'll be a help for them also, and at the same time making the forest have more and more trees. And yes, one of our volunteer here, Ferdinand, is still digging the hole for the saplings, and we are waiting for the schoolboys, Edmund School, who wants to join us, or we together with them. In fact, it's my school, it's my son's school. One he just passed out this year ICSE, and one is still in class 7 now. So we want to do it together with them. So we have done the cleaning. We will let them do the plantation part, and also some more portions of the cleaning. The forest comparatively is quite clean with others, though not completely clean comparatively with others. This is what we have gathered all along this trail. There are 4-5 spots, so we will take it again. I will video shoot again after the student comes, and when we gather all the trash, and show you the amount that we collect once we dumped it in the vehicle. Thank you. And on the way back to school, along with the boys, along with us, our volunteers, here we are picking up all this whatever has been dumped by the people on the roadside. So the boys are also coming. They have been cleaning all along the way from the place where we came to clean on the way back to school. Now here they are. So yeah, thank you so much.
And then slowly, as you can see, the entire, part of this forest is almost like in a degrading state. Whereas on the other part of it, it looks fresh, it looks green. So before we go into the small action and lecture that I would like to discuss, can you tell me what is a forest? What is a forest? You don't have to give me the scientific definition of a forest. Can you tell me what is a forest? Yes?
The forest is a place in nature where trees grow and plants.
Okay, very good. So basically, few incinerators in one of their landfills, burn it off completely. That incinerators, what happens? Because it's heat, heat water, convert into steam to produce electricity. Alright, not like us here, we have the will to do it. If the government have the will to do it, they can do it. But they don't do it, isn't it? They don't want to do it. So use this, heat it, burn it, produce electricity. But before they release the air, what happens? They treat it again. So what comes out of those incinerators are just hot air. That we can't help it. But all again, the toxic waste are again trapped. So they have a very specialized system of how to remove all these toxic pollutants. So that's why this year's theme, Beat Plastic Pollution, is a very good theme. I think all of us need to do it. I'll tell you, me. Okay. Alright. So we see that one day, our ocean will be what? Full of plastic and devoid of what? Marine life. So why plastic is a concern possibly? What is the shell life of plastic? Think how many years will plastic decompose? Can you tell me? Huh? Yes, anywhere from 20 to 500 years. PET bottles. The bottles that were served by Jeff just now. Alright, how many years it takes for it to decompose? Can you tell me?
Over 1,000 years.
Yes, almost there. Approximately 450 to 500 years to decompose, isn't it? But it's so convenient, isn't it? I'm a victim of it. Whenever I feel thirsty, buy that water, 10 rupees though. Yes, no big deal. Alright, but I make it a point that I don't litter around. Initially it was very difficult to do it, but now, example like, let me see, do I have a, oh yeah, see like this. check my bag and all, you find a lot of rubbish. But because I know this habit is very difficult to do initially, I think me and Majaf, I fondly call him. We are good friends, and then from time to time, I think Majaf have been inviting me and to be a part of this project. But even us also, we are caught up with a lot of work, so I was unable to be a part of this project. But this morning, I'm very, very happy that somehow I could lend my valuable time and to be a part of this very, what do you call it, the need of the hour kind of an initiative. So thank you so much, Ma, for your for inviting me and for the invitation that has been extended to me. And I'm very, very happy, especially I met Ma last week, that why don't we do something? I will be involving the boys from St. Edmund. So the moment he told me that, then I said, okay, let's do something about it, because it's always good to engage with school students. So before into that, I'd just like to introduce myself. Even because I'm teaching in St. Edmund, St. Edmund's College, and I'm from the Department of Environment and Science. Okay? So once you're done with the class 12, if you're interested to join this department, I think the door is always open to you. Alright, be part of the family of the Edmundian family, like we call it, and then also to be part of the family of the Environmental Science Department of St. Edmund's College. So why we have chosen this this place? Alright, so we all know that this is a forest, right? Is it a forest? So this part of the forest, it's an open part of the forest where canopy is very large.
Te nado banga sedang kini kam sutunat menteri kini kam bat kumju hiru ya kemariang rong sutunat iban pengkuit bat la kiwe ro kin penjebo rong sutunat ide ndre bat kiwe ro ya kemariang hajka bat kinde ki ban pengkuit subhai ye ndre kim dan ya kata kecing pengkuit ndre ki kadang la ban lek jebo ki lek jebo ndre on bat pengkuit kin mlai ide bat ki sukwa kat jebo ndre mengapa ngas tunat ikan kerja kam pengkuit bat na subang hiru ikan kerja kam bangan pengkuit bat ka berokot bau ngas tunat hiru bat kamariang bakan kuit bat ka kuit tu subah kale ka kan yo kajing cepat bat kajing berokot ikan kuit kan kiding bon berkila pom lokat bon kila sule ben lokat kila penhab lokat dari kajing pangat ka dia kiding bat ka berokot na kiding kajing pangat bawa rai kale ka bat thamai bat kale ka bat pangat tamro bat ke ro tangkat tahi
Paling jing deko sa kuni ka kejat pat.
Te naba nado banga menta banga don di kejing sumar ba ngalak mla suban train re bat ketar re kadang la tre behi bat kumju ro bangambiang ikut selain re mentang stang yo ikut slaro bang salah ro bang train re om ketangan mla bang tre khian re ka basting belum melangan lai bat kumju bang la kan persang bang la ro bat kumju ro ya katai tangkat lah good.
Iwa Ferdinand Nongrum. We volunteer thamai. Phi somno ye trailang ni kam ni.
Ka di so jo te so le rap sibun ya kamariang ban pengkuit te de na kalian jing ba jafi nga sawan ru kani ka jing training menyelum hilang gini kitar berkhot te setelah ini ban pengkuit kamariang
It has been a successful day, I should say, with the school boys, because we are here only for a short time, because we have to think on the classes also. It reminds me when I was in the same school years back, and my children are still there. One is just passed out this year, and then one is in class 7. I'm thankful to Damir Suchang also, who's a lecturer out there with the St. Edmund's College, that he spared his time. And then he's in charge of the environment department. So what we did today basically was collecting trash before the trash or the litters that people have been littering before the students will come, and then after they came, you might have seen what they have been doing. We planted 20 saplings of trees because and we'll be planting some more by ourselves. Why we planted 20? Because 19 or 20 of them came along with the teacher, so one person has come to one tree. So we will be doing the follow-up for these trees time to time again whenever we come for this cleaning drive by ourselves. And also time to time we'll be engaging them maybe once a month, once in 2 months. We don't want to pressurize them so much because the studies portion is also there. That area is different and this area is different. But anyway, we will inculcate. We have just now through Dami also inculcate that sense of environment caretaker
Sense
inside
of
them.
belonging.
Yeah. So it's up to them now. So we'll do a follow up and we'll be having programs with them time to time again. So thank you so much. So Tommy, if you want to say anything.
It's okay. We're very happy that I could be a part of this project today, and so happy that the boys from the school, St. Edmund School, could make it. And do a short period of time, but we have seen so much trash that we've collected. Just a small message I would like to convey is that we should have a sense of belonging. You know, the surrounding, the environment, we are a part of it. It belongs to us. We belong to the environment. So I think the habit of littering around, the habit of indiscriminately dumping our garbage, and we should try to eliminate it. We should try to stop it, so that at least we will have a better environment for our future generation and also for the present generation. Thank you so much, Ba. Really looking forward to more of your programs in the future. Really enjoy my time today with you and your team. Thank you so much.
So just one message. Would like to send a very clear message. What type of a legacy are we leaving behind? It's a clean earth, clean environment, and if you can make it, one family, one tree, one Edmundian, past, present, future, one Edmundian, one tree. Thank you, Khublei Shibur.